If you like to buy Nokia brand phone, then there is a good news for you. After many years, Nokia is going to launch another powerful and great smartphone at a cheap price. In this great smartphone, you are going to get a powerful battery of 6500 mAh with 150 megapixel DSLR camera. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Atom Pro 5G smartphone. So, if you also want to buy this smartphone, then watch this video till last. Because in today's video we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Atom Pro 5G. Nokia phone manufacturer has given a 6.75-inch Full HD+ Super AMOLED full touchscreen display inside this great smartphone. Apart from that, you get to see a refresh rate of 120 Hz, in-display fingerprint sensor, IP68 rating, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Camera setup. Talking about the camera quality of Nokia Atom Pro Mobile, you will get to see a 150 megapixel primary camera in it. Along with this, a 32 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5 megapixel depth sensor can be seen. If we talk about the front selfie camera of the mobile, then you will get to see a 50 megapixel front selfie camera. Processor. If we talk about the processor of the mobile, then you will get to see the excellent and powerful processor of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in it. And if we talk about the operating system, then you get to see the latest Android 15 operating system in it. Battery backup. If we talk about the battery backup of the mobile, then inside it you will get to see 8000 mAh non-removable battery pack, which supports 65-watt fast charging. And USB Type-C port will be provided to charge it. Price or launch date. Lastly, if we talk about its price, you can get the price of this smartphone in the world market around $350. And if we talk about the launch date, then this phone can be launched at the end of this year.